Do you often feel during your work day that you have low energy and you're just feeling some neck pain, some shoulder pain? You don't have to wait until you can step on your mat to actually change that. There are many exercises we can just simply do seated on our chair. And they can actually boost our confidence levels and they can make us feel more open and again ready to continue with our day. Hello, my name is Anne from Play Pause Be, and today I'm going to share with you 3 exercises that can help for you to feel more centered and to feel more ready during your workday. These exercises are aimed to not only open us mentally, but to also open the physical body. It's that combination exactly that makes it such a powerful practice. The first one is the cow face arms that you can just do, and that will open up the meridians, the energy lines of the lungs. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your hand between your shoulder blades, and you're just gonna grab on with your left hand to your right elbow and press the back of the head back. This will open the lung capacity as it works on an energetic level, and physically it opens the chest area, which is often closed because we're sitting and hinging forward. So take just a few breaths here. And it's always helpful to envision yourself not how you are and the mood you don't want, but you're kind of calling in how you want to be. So you're calling maybe some confidence and truly just calling forth a visual and image of how you wish to feel. Taking about 5 breaths. And it's always nice to switch up and take a moment to just recognize the feeling, recognize how the energy is flowing, how the body's opening before switching to the other side. So taking full breaths, really opening from the chest, because often we collapse a bit in the lower back and we get everything from the lumbar spine, but we really want to lengthen the spine and press the head back, so we're opening the posture. We have made a separate video on how the posture affects our confidence levels and the body-mind connection that you can find just clicking above. But breathe and find openness in mind and body. Then you can just release and take a few big rolls with the shoulders, and as you pull the shoulder blades back and down, you can just take a few sighs out through the mouth. When you sigh, you give the body a powerful signal that it's okay to release stress and we come back to the present. Then you can shake off a bit, just making sure we release the wrist a bit because we're typing a lot. So just releasing, maybe making some circles and just taking a few breaths to roll shoulders, shake, whatever comes naturally, just tuning into the body. You want to move a bit with your neck as well, just seeing how this upper body wants to free, and really make sure you take deep breaths to open your consciousness and to be centered. And then the last exercise is the eagle arms, which helps to release the tension here in the upper back and between the shoulder blades. So for this one, you're gonna either just hold the shoulders like this, or you hook the right elbow underneath the left and you try to grab onto the hands. Yes. Then on an inhalation, you're gonna lift the elbows up and forward. Taking a deep inhalation here, maybe hold the breath for a moment to expand even more in your lung capacity. And then as you exhale, you pull the shoulder blades back and down and keep lifting the elbows away from the chest and sternum. Do that 3 to 4 more times. And try to just keep envisioning yourself confident, present, just asking yourself, how do I want to feel moving through this day? Really honoring this moment you're taking for yourself and make it count. Then in between, you can peel the elbows open like the cactus. Taking a few deep breaths and really feel yourself seated on the chair, allowing the awareness and energy to drop from the mind into the body, and then switch sides. Again, inhale, lifting the elbows up. And exhale, release shoulders back and down as you keep lifting the elbows up, taking a few more breaths. If it's too much for the shoulders, just lift the elbows up, hold on to the shoulders, and exhale down. And then you will release, maybe shake again off, just inviting some natural movement to get ourselves out of that mental structure into more openness, more spontaneity. And then you can finish off by rubbing your hands together and placing your hands onto your eyes, especially when working the computer. Our eyes tend to get really tense and the little muscles around the eyes, so relax the gaze. And finish off with thanking yourself to bring a bit light and awareness into your day. Let us know how it goes, and we're very, very excited to introduce you soon to more exercises you can do just seated down, bringing the practice from the mat into our everyday life. Check down the information below and find everything about our chair yoga poses. Thank you so much, and let us know in the comment section below how it goes. Thank you.